Hey everyone, so I'm back with a different kind of video today. This will be a quick video, I think. I don't think it'll be a long video, but yesterday I got this little baby through the post and I thought I'd do a quick unboxing online to show you what I got, because this is, well, I'll start with what it is. Obviously you can see on the box it's an Estelle. It's a personal wide hybrid, and I've wanted one of these for so long. It's been on my wish list for so long, and I popped onto the website to grab one and I noticed that they were having an oopsie sale, which I've never seen them do before. So I clicked on the listing and read a little bit about what it was. And basically there are 3 different tiers that you could choose. You could choose the first tier, which was 20% off. You could choose the second tier, which was 30% off, I believe. And then you could choose the third tier, which was 50% off. And obviously, depending on which tier you chose, depended on the condition or the oopsie of your planner. I went for the 20% off one because I'm not the kind of person that can deal with a visible, really noticeable oopsie on anything in any aspect of my life. If I have something, it has to be new and looking amazing. So the thing that I liked about this was that once you'd paid for it, Estelle sent you an email with pictures of the exact planner that you were going to receive, and they would note out what it was that was the oopsie, or what it was that was wrong with it. And if you weren't happy to accept it, you didn't have to accept it, and they could send you a picture of another one. If there was nothing that was to your liking, then you could decline them all and just easily get a refund, which I thought was just a really good way of managing the oopsie sale. Because as much as I love the Foxy Fix mystery sale, and I did have a really good win out of a Foxy Fix mystery sale, I got my botanical rose, which I absolutely love. It is well, it may not be after I've opened this, but currently standing, it is my favourite personal wide planner that I've got. I just absolutely love it. On the flip side of that, I also did a mystery sale for Hobo Weeks cover, and I got what I think was the Merlot. It was like a winey red colour, and as beautiful as it was, I am not a red girl. I'm a pink girl or a white girl or pastel or whatever. But I mean, the good thing about doing the mystery sales is it's pretty easy for you to sell the Foxy Fixes that you get. I didn't have any problem selling it, and it hasn't put me off taking part in another mystery sale. But that being said, I thought that this way of running a mystery sale was amazing. And luckily for me, the first planner that they sent me a picture of, they had a little sticker on it. Excuse me, they had a little sticker on it that pointed out what the oopsie was, and I'm not joking, I couldn't see anything at all wrong with it. And I sent it to a few of my friends, and I sent it to the girls in the Josephine Bow Design PR team that I chat with. They couldn't see anything wrong with it, so I was like, yes please, ship it, I'll have that one. And as well as that, it came so fast. Like, this was only like 2 weeks ago that I did this, and then I sent her a message to say I wanted it. Yes, thank you very much. And then I said, she said, oh great, I'll send it. And then I said, oh, when will it be sent? And she was like, oh, today. And it was just sent. It was on its way to me, which was really good. And these guys are based in Canada. I'm in the UK. And that email conversation that we had as well was just so quick. They were so helpful. They were so communicative. So is that a word? Communicative? If it's not, it definitely should be. But they were brilliant. So I was really impressed with my Estelle experience. So let's just open it, because I've waffled for like 5 minutes, and I'm sorry. So I got what I have had my heart set on since the beginning of ever discovering these planners. It will be no surprise to those of you that have been on my channel for a while. I got the ballet slipper. Now, the lighting here today is not amazing. It's really dull outside, but looking at the camera screen, that is a pretty good representation actually of what it's like. It's like a beautiful blush pink. So it comes packaged exactly as it would if you'd bought a regular planner. I can't remember if I said I got the tier A. I did say, didn't I? So mine was 20% off. And what it said on the email that I received was difference in leather texture. But you still get the beautiful box, you still get the beautiful soft, and it really is soft. If you've ever had one of these, you'll know. Beautiful soft dust bag. and still with the little bit of polystyrene in. So where it said my oopsie was on the picture that they sent me was this pocket here, and it said on the like generic listing of the original email that I got, it said that it would be a texture difference. But when I actually spoke to a person rather than an automated email, she pointed out the leather as a colour difference. It's actually a slight variation in colour. Now, in some lights, maybe I could slightly see what she meant, but for the most part, I mean, I'll hold it up real close. I'm right next to the window. You know, I'll wiggle it about so you can see it in all different angles. There's definitely no texture difference. It is definitely the same texture. Like I said, that was sort of a generic description of what might be going on with the planner if you ordered it. But then, like I said, she did get back to me and said, no, it would be a colour variation. I mean, maybe in that, I'm tempted to think that it's just shadowing. Do you know what? If I'd have bought this planner at full price, which is what I originally went on the website to do, I wouldn't even be thinking there was anything wrong with it. It wouldn't even cross my mind. I wouldn't even notice anything. So I am, as you can tell, I'm so happy with this planner. I'm so happy with my experience with Estelle. I will definitely be ordering again. I think I'm going to get one of the white ones. I don't know the official names of these planners. I just know that this one is a ballet slipper. So just a little bit about the planner. It's a beautiful, beautiful textured leather. As you can see, really pebbled. It's quite squishy. It's quite floppy. It's not too floppy, if you get what I mean. It's not as floppy as my Botanical Rose at all, which is the botanical leather, isn't it? Yeah, of course it is, because it's Botanical Rose. It has the Krauss rings. It has the strings on the side, and the strings are a perfect match for the colour. It looks a bit different on the screen, but on my eyes, when I'm seeing it in real life, that is the perfect match. And then we've got these pockets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 card slots, a little pocket here, little secretarial pocket, which is lined underneath, 1 pocket, 2 pockets, 2 pockets at the back, and another secretarial, and then a card pocket there. And obviously the draw with these planners, as well as the fact that it's got the rings, which are Krauss rings as well, and the strings, is the fact that it has this adjustable little sort of claspy snap closure, isn't it? And it has the 3 little holes, and you can decide where you want to, I'll just put it back in where it came from. Obviously, I can't figure out how to use it. It just came with these little slots, and you can decide how thick you're going to make your planner, and it makes sure that you've still got room to use the closure. But yeah, I am so happy with this planner. And I could have had it shipped to my mailbox, which would have saved me the customs charge. I did pay £21 custom charge on this, which is just insane. And ordinarily I wouldn't have done that, but I'm going to the planner event, Plan, in just over a week's time. Maybe 2 weeks time. Just over 2 weeks time, I think. About 10... Just over 2 weeks time, Rachel. Come on, it's 2 weeks tomorrow, isn't it? It's 2 weeks tomorrow. And I wanted to have it for that. So that is the only reason why I paid a custom charge. Otherwise, I would have sent it to my mailbox and then had it shipped from there, because I do have a few things in there. But yeah, long story short, this is the Estelle hybrid in the ballet slipper leather from the Oopsie sale. And I am super duper happy with it. It's amazing. So yes. If you are thinking about buying from the Oopsie sale, I would definitely recommend it. Definitely recommend it. I'm definitely going to buy another one, but I think that is it for now, because I could just go on about this all day. It's just amazing. But if you like this video, please give me a little like. If you could subscribe to my channel, I will love you forever, and I will see you soon. Bye.